Hello, it's me. My name is Vajesh Agarwal, and this is for my milestone one submission. I'm gonna my s- walk through the code, UML, and flowchart. First is my UML class diagram. At the top, we have stable products. This class has four fields: name, description string, price, and quantity. Below it, we have three subclasses extend that extend stable products. Weapon adds a damage rating, armor adds defense, and health adds health. All three inherit. I'm sorry. All three inherit everything from the stable prod product and just their own unique thing. Over here, I have an inventory manager, which holds the list of stable products and handles adding, moving, and adjusting stock levels. Shopping cart also holds the list of products by representing what the user has schedules to buy. Finally, storefront uses both inventory manager and shopping cart to run the whole store. Next, we have the flowcharts. Here's the flowcharts showing how a user interacts with the store. Application starts with initialize store, then it just shows the display menu. If it there, you get the choice of 1 through 5. If you choose 5, you're done. If you choose 2, you go to purchase. You can see here purchase also goes to remove product. That's 4. Is remove product. Number 1 is print the inventory, basically show all the inventory. Number 2 is purchase item. Is the item in stock? Yes or no. If it's no, print error. If it's yes, decrease stock, add product, remove product, and increase stock, print results, and then loop back to the menu to run it all over again. Now let me show you running it. Let me scroll this up. As you can see here, we have Iron Sword, Elven Belt, Battle Axe, Leather Armor, Chainmail, Major Health Potion, Minor Health Potion. Let me just do start like this. 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. As you can see here, those are all the options that you could have done in this. And next, we are going to the code. As you can see here, I have my script myself. Now it's time for the code walkthrough. Now let me, through each class, I'm going to open them in logical order and paste them. First is stable product. This is the foundation of the whole application. You can see that it has all four getters and setters for each one, and toString method that formats the product on display. Every other class is in this project that builds up to this one. Now it's weapon. You can see at the top it says extend stable product, which means that it inherits all four fields and has the method just looked at. The constant calls superior to task, name, description, price, and quantity to up, up to stable products. and sets its own extra field. Damage rating. It has great, greater and setters for damage rating, and overrides to string to add damage on display. And now we have armor. Same exact, same pattern as damage. It extends it actually extends stable product. It calls super constructor, and it adds its own field, which is defense rating. Now it's health potion. Again, same pattern. Extend stable product and add health amount as an extra field. Now it's time for inventory manager. This class manages all the products available in the store. It holds array of stable products. The add products method adds a product to the listing. Find by name, loops through the list. Does a case intensive name match the return product? It's found. Determine stock. Find the product's name. Reduces its quantity by how many units were purchased. Increment stock. Does the opposite and adds quantity back. When a purchase is cancelled, print inventory loops through everything and prints it to the console. Now shopping carts. This is very similar to inventory manager, but it replaces what the user has selected and add product. An item adds an item to the cart, removes products, searches the name to remove it from the list, and returns it to the center node. Get total loops through every item and multiply the price by quantity to calculate the running total. Print cart, print everything in the cart, and shows the total at the bottom. Now storefront. This is where everything comes together. In total. It creates an inventory manager, then a shopping cart, a scanner, reading the input, then calls the initial store. The initial store creates the 7 default products and adds them to the inventory. Purchase product, takes the name, looks it up in the inventory, checks that it has stock decrements the inventory, and adds to the cart. Cancel purchase, takes the name, removes it from the cart, and restores the quantity back to the inventory. And the start method runs the menu loop. It prints the options and reads the user input, and then it calls the right method depending on what they typed. Finally, main. The This is the entry point of the application. It creates storefronts, run through the program, demo, and show the purchase and cancel flow working. And then calls store start to launch. Then that's basically it. Everything in the code is there, and that's all I have to say about it. So in the end, this is all it is. But I had fun with this project. So have a good day, coach. I see you next week.